Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hamilton County and central Texas, southwestern Bosque County and central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Hyco, or 12 miles northeast of Hamilton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will be hurt. Tree damage is likely. The thunderstorm will be near. Around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian State Park around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Clifton around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include North and Ferry. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a dangerous storm, capable of producing large hail driven by severe winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you are caught outdoors, cover your head and neck.
Well, what's pouring down there?